What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the vlog. Now today is a big day because it's currently 5:30 AM and we are off to London. So I am very bad at getting up in the morning, so I'm just knackered. So now I'm gonna have to drive 3.5 hours to get to London, and it's 5 AM, and then we're gonna get there at 9, hit all the rush hour traffic, so it is not going to be fun this morning, but we're about to take you along for the ride, and stay tuned because it's going to be pretty sick. So we've got Brad, Phil, Harry.
You know, you just fill in the front of our house.
Oh yeah, someone's going to come and steal all our stuff.
I mean,
Really, people don't even watch the channel.
like
Me, Bale and Den. Next time you see us, we're going to be in London. Oh yeah, I booked room for this evening. I'm just wondering what time we can go into it. Gay. G-A-Y, unfortunately. No, go get it. Yeah, just get everything else that's in there. Thank you very much. It's kind of left her. It's not a bad place. He's just getting all the stuff there. They're just keeping all our luggage in a different place.
Alright.
Just so we don't have to, like, lug it about and stuff. Sick. We're doing alright, actually. I'm a little bit bored of it already though. I thought it was going to be a little bit bigger that way, but aside from that, it's nice.
Need to find the nearest tube station.
Very posh. Take the drone in, so we'll be doing some stuff with the drone. So yeah, we're just going to go and explore, try and find some, I think it's a Docklands Light Railway that we need to get, and then once we've got that, then we're going to be all sorted. So that's, how sick is this?
Doesn't this place have its own laws?
No, that's Vatican City.
No. Someone said Canary Wharf has its own laws.
It doesn't have its own laws.
That's one. Yeah, it's
Huge. Yeah, that is massive. Oh, we should get some bikes. Here's what? Right.
him and swing! What a kid. I missed Tom Peter glove box.
Ooh.
30 fan.
Ooh.
I've said that in every vlog.
You actually
I also wear these shorts in every
vlog, yeah. They look like swimming trunks.
Yeah.
No, Brad, that's good. Lens flare. Oh, this shot.
You don't want the What? They're all lazy. I like it.
Love it. What's he doing? Oh, I thought he was going to kill himself.
I'm done.
That would have been funny.
Right, where are we putting the ice cream now?
Where are we going now?
I don't know, we're getting on somewhere.
Well, I'm pretty sure this one goes that way.
Let's go that way then.
And I'm pretty sure it's a dead end.
Yeah, we're so bad.
So we have to be on the other side.
So how do we get to the other side?
Need to go back. I don't know. Put it on once.
Seek assistance. please top up.
Do you know what you might not have done? Because when I did it, I put my note in. The Chinese guy said to me, you have to tap it again. To put your money on.
Yeah, and man.
Yeah, but then like after it.
Yeah, but man said £11.60.
Yeah, it did. So I don't know.
Yeah, man said.
I don't know whether you've got enough.
Where the fuck's the assistant?
Yeah. Touch Oyster card here at start and end of transaction.
10p. So has it not gone through the
No, it can't
bank
have
balance?
Yeah.
Someone give me a 10.
Yeah, I lost the tenner. It's got this tenner each.
Yeah. Right.
For the petrol money back.
No.
Seems they got your full tank.
I need to fill it up, didn't I? That's the petrol money.
Yeah.
No, it doesn't. It costs 40 to fill a car up.
20 quid.
But I'll need some to get. Yeah, I know. Yeah,
So
exactly.
you're still making a tenner's fucking profit.
Yeah, good.
When really, we've just lost a fucking tenner.
That's not my fault, is it? Is it?
Give me this shit out.
I didn't give you it. Brad gave you it. I said use your phone. Should listen to me, really. Anyone. Never buy Oyster cards. They are fucking shit.
Oh my god.
Christ. Sorry? Yeah. I'm not ready for that.
Just getting some food and drinks in Five Guys. What's it got? Let's have a look at that. Not bad.
Brad, just grab that. Brad, grab that. Someone's ringing me. Grab that. No, not yet, no. Why do we? I don't know why they had red numbers on it. It makes it look shit.
No, it makes it look sick.
No, red numbers. Why? There's nothing else red on it apart from the flag.
The red number's just so good.
Nah.
It is. It looks
Nah.
so nice. What?
The red number.
No, it looks awful. It looks banging.
It fucks it
It's a real
right
Nightscape
up.
having that.
No, I don't like the red on it. Has it got red on the back here?
No.
No.
Black and white's just so nice.
Black and white is, yeah, but not fucking black, white and red.
Red on the back makes it look so good.
These shoes are so sick. Who is? Oh, like, what the hell?
It's not
Quality of the room.
Brad.
What?
Quality of the room. Out of 10.
I'll rate it, man.
Out of 10.
Out of 10, I'd give it a 7.
A 7? Out of 10.
5.5.
Out of 10.
A 6, because of the shit space.
4.5.
And I can't really have a wank.
No. I suppose you can and eat it. Where's the toilet?
Round the corner.
Not even big in there.
Oh right, oh thank fuck. Oh, is it a dual action toilet? Just don't think, do you?
Yeah, because the door, like,
That's quite a well engineered door, really, to be fair. Double
that looks like a
hinge door.
Yeah, isn't it? It's like
Yeah, sick.
why am I not on the
Darren would be proud.
Wi-Fi?
Okay, so first of all, what we're going to do, we're going to go up a car park, obviously, because why wouldn't you? So once we're up there, get a few photos, go to Canary Wharf, and we get a few more photos there. And then from there, where are we going from there? Wagamama's.
Yeah.
And then from there,
Back.
Westminster. Probably, yeah, Westminster after that.
Yeah.
But yeah, we'll see you there.
With crimson secrets and forbidden
consumed, Brad? Out of 10?
7.5.
Harry?
8.5.
Let's creep while you and me repeat.
We're at the palace. Big Ben.
The palace?
Fucking hell.
What?
Big Ben.
Right, let's go again.
So that's Big Ben. Did you know that was originally going to be called Big Dick? No, it was. There's a guy called Richard who built it.
Rick. Man respect, yeah, that was Big Dick.
It legit was Big Dick. So that's Big Dick. Okay, so Brad's been wanting to get this particular shot for like, I don't know, a good year and a bit now. And it's from in here, getting that shot. So, see how it goes.
Good video.
It could have been. Fucking hell. It sounded incredible. You can't jump that.
It does.
Oh my god. It's not even that much of a... sketchy as hell. That is impossibly wide.
Yeah!
Like, Brad, do a jump. Someone do a jump. Phil?
Got a back chest. You do it, I'll record.
No, it's okay. That went well. Okay, that is pretty fucking mental, to be fair. Damn. Oh my god.
They put some little chairs up there. They jumped. What a madness. Oh my god.
Holy shit. That's actually quite a good photo. Oh my god. He jumped that. Yeah, Nightscape does all his stuff. He's training. And yeah, now we're here. So that's basically been our day. So if you've enjoyed it, drop a like rating, share it with your friends. I'm Scott. That's Brad, Harry, and Dill. I'll see you tomorrow.